to the channel, boys, and the 2 or 3 ladies that do watch the video. In this package is what we're going to work on tonight. But first, thank you Harbor Freight 100-piece security bit set, because it fell out. This is what I needed. So on my drill I've got this adapter for the 1/4" set, so it's gonna snap in and on and make things a lot faster because I don't have a, you know, standard automotive stuff. So awesome. And so what is in this package? I have already done this before because I ordered the wrong things, because it was 2 a.m. and I ordered on eBay or Amazon, one or the other, and I got the wrong part in. So, oh, actually I didn't even open it yet. So, drop a comment. Let me know what you've ordered at a weird hour and got the wrong parts. And there we go. So, the ones that are on are the incandescent light bulbs, and these are the LED upgrades. So I'm going to do a photo inserted now with the old ones and new ones on, and we're going to go ahead and swap them out. So yeah, previously I ordered the wrong ones, weren't these 2 pins that clip on, and so I know I need this guy, plus forget what size it was, and I've got to take off the front panel under the Mustang Shelby GT500. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on over there and get going with that. Here's the setup. As you can see, we got Pittsburgh, and my badass light. So this light costs more than all these items here, even the drill. Yeah, so got the light. I need to jack the car up because we got to get that front plate off. Oh yeah, gloves. You're gonna notice I do not have my brace on. I'm trying to feel better, and my wrist is feeling better, but yeah, we're good right there. But I still should be wearing it. Hey, you can see yourself right here. Just checking it out. So we got the car up, got the light. Let's get under here. Seriously love this light. This is a game changer. Dun, dun, dun. So I've got to take this one off. There's 2 different sizes. You guys okay? Let me know. So 5/16. No. Don't tell me it's a 1/4. Nope. 9:30 seconds. Cool. 9:30 seconds it is. Cool. Now we are underneath on the frame. If you're interested, this is Ford number A31LJ. All right, right here. Let me adjust. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see this. So right here underneath the washer fluid, 2 pins at the top and bottom, pinch them together, give it a little wiggle, pull back. There's the light bulb. Cool. And then pinch this tab. There it is. Alright, hopefully I didn't lose you. So there's the incandescent light bulb. Let me grab the new one. Right at bottom. Okay, I got situated. So hopefully we're not falling off anymore, but here we go. There is the incandescent light bulb, and here's the new LED. So both got the O-ring. Hopefully these ones are going to be a hell of a lot brighter, so let's go ahead and install these. Cool. So if you notice, there is a top. When you're looking at this, the top one's got a clip. It's all smooth here, so there's a pin at the top for the wiring harness to clip into. Nice. Okay. And then this guy will just go in there.
A few moments later.
Look at the old one. Just a quick comparison. No, they look just about right. Oh, there we go. Okay, we are back. So, looking at these, it does go in a certain way. However, what I had to do was this rubber gasket that goes on the housing, I had to take it off. Now watch this. It is going to snap in easily. That is what's, look at that. Boom, snapped in. It's not as tight as I like it, but it's in. So that was, now it's in. So what was holding it up was this rubber gasket. I tried pushing it down further, it didn't work, but that's what it was. So it's still sealed here, but it's not sealed here forward. So we're in California. I don't really drive too much in the rain, so if we do have anything in the rain, so hopefully that was all in focus. Anyways, so that was the issue, and I guess that's what we needed to do. So I drove over to the driver's side, same thing. Oh yeah, and to take these off, what I did was, you either get your pick it off, or you squeeze it together and then roll it off. So just grab it. Now, depending on where you are, if you're driving in a lot of rain, you will want this to help protect this light from getting wet. But that's how we are making it work in here. So this is going to be the test. We will see what happens. Boom. They look like they're nice. They matched. And yeah, I don't know how well you can see it. They're a little bit wider than the headlights, but yeah, awesome. Now just how long are they gonna last? We will see. So cool. Now let's just lower the car down and rock and roll. Anyways, you guys know how to take jack stands down and whatnot. So that's gonna conclude this part of the video. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button. Consider subscribing. I'm at 99. I had 100. Someone dropped. Now we're at 99. So we're gonna make 100. Maybe I'll do something small, do a little giveaway for someone. It's kind of, you know, I've been thinking about it, and you know, first 100, definitely want to say thank you guys and appreciate it. 100 down, 900 more to go, and so on and so forth. So thanks for stopping by again. Appreciate it. Hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I always save my parts. These ones are obviously still good, just the yellow light. So as a backup, I keep these and I'll just stash them in the toolbox under parts for the Mustang. So just a little tip, don't throw everything out. I like to save them. Sometimes that's bad thing to do, but these ones still work.